So if you look at how a node looks like, you essentially have a node with some external interface, and you have your pods with other interfaces. And somewhere in between sits the network stack and primarily the IP tables where the routing happens, the network address translation, security, all that stuff, all the filtering, right? So when normally a packet enters, it goes through all that. With eBPF, we can, at the entry of the interface, look at the packet. At the time, we already know what to do with the packet, and we can pass it straight to where it needs to go, right? So it doesn't mean that we don't do what the IP tables would normally do, but we do it essentially in a single spot, right? Here we would have to go through multiple hooks, routing would be involved somewhere, so on. The packet would kind of execute through multiple stages. We take the packet and we pass it where we need to. And this is where the eBPF data planes, and ours is not the only one, gain most of the benefit on bitrate.